Here's an adorable fun fold card that I made using the new Jungle Pals stamp set along with the matching dies. And these are items that are from Sale-A-Bration 2024. They are some of the items that you can choose for free with every $50 purchase that you make during January and February. Now this stamp set has these adorable animal images in it, and you can stamp them with the black Memento ink pad, and then I'm just coloring them in with our blends markers. Now I'm using the matching die set, and I'm going to cut them out, and then we will put together the front of the card. Now this card is a really neat fun fold that I saw online somewhere, and so I'm actually going to have the link to the blog where I got the measurements for it, and that'll be on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I will have the link to those measurements. Now look how cute this is. I will have all the colors of the cardstocks and everything that I use listed on there. But see how this folds over? And then we'll put some of the Brights 6x6 Designer Series paper on there. And then we will put a belly band to hold the card closed. I think this card is adorable the way that it turned out. So it does take a bigger piece of the white cardstock than a usual card, but it's just really fun to do these neat folds every once in a while. So I hope you'll head over to my website. Thank you so much for following along. Sale-A-Bration is the best time, the best sale of the year with Stampin' Up, and I highly encourage you to check out all the awesome freebies that we have that you can choose from right now. You can just go to my website, and then that will give you the link to my Stampin' Up website, and you can see all of the different Sale-A-Bration options that are available. I hope you enjoy this card. I think it's a super fun one, and I hope that you will follow and like this post and share it with your friends.